Establishing credibility is a very important thing to get your target student to trust you and to buy your online course. The reason why is because when people seek advice, they care a lot more about who versus what. That means people want to learn from people who are already successful in whatever area they need help with. So here are 4 ways you can establish instant credibility as an online instructor. Being a specialist in your course topic. The reason why specialists in any area make more money than the rest of the people is because they choose one thing to focus on and make sure they learn everything that's related to it and acquire as much experience as possible in it. That automatically puts them above everyone else. Show me a person who does many things all at once, and I'll show you a person who isn't top notch in any single one of those things. So when you say to your target students that you are a specialist on your course topic, they immediately see you as a person who is very knowledgeable and experienced in your area. Even just to get clients, if you're a freelancer, for example, freelancers who specialize in only one thing, say for example Facebook ads, their proposals rise right to the top and they almost always land projects. So when it comes to online courses, I personally want to learn copywriting from the top copywriters in the world. A name comes to mind right now, John Carlton. You might be familiar with him. I want to learn SEO from SEO Moz and so on and so forth. These people are the go-to people in their own industries because they are masters of their domains. So we can really learn a lot from these people. When I first started as a freelancer, I made a quick realization. I noticed that when I applied to different projects that the guy who was the specialist would get the job every time. Also, over 4 years ago, I discovered the online course industry and I saw a lot of opportunity, so I became a specialist in online course creation and marketing. And you know what? That helped me a lot, especially in my freelance business. I've gotten more clients than I could handle for the past 4 years, and many times I had to turn down offers from clients. So the lesson here is being a specialist makes you seem credible instantly. Tell your story. Tell your target students the story of how you went from where you were, which is where they are right now, and the action steps you took to achieve their desired outcome. We all started from point zero once. When you tell your target students that you were exactly where they are right now, or maybe worse, they then envision themselves in your shoes and achieving what you have achieved. That really is the goal of your expert story, to inspire your students to embark on the same journey and get them to trust you to help them achieve their desired goal. I'm pretty sure you've heard a lot of examples of expert stories before. Robert Kiyosaki tells the story of how he has two dads. One of them is poor and the other is rich. So he says that he followed his rich dad's advice to become rich and successful, and now he's sharing his rich dad's advice with other people to help them achieve financial prosperity. Brendan Burchard tells the story of having a near death experience where he asked himself the questions: did I live, did I love, did I matter? And this is the point where everything started to change for him. He spent his entire 20s studying psychology and leadership, and in his early 30s became a sought after high performance coach and a best selling author, and now he's helping others become healthy, productive, focused, motivated, and successful. These are two men that I respect highly, and I can give you tons of other examples, but I'm sure you get the point, and you can see how important it is to have your expert story and how you can create one also. By the way, the purpose of an online course is to shorten the period of time and the effort it takes for your students to get their desired outcome. Because they want what you have achieved, they've chosen to take your advice to attain their goal and or solve their problem, because with your advice they can get there quickly and easily. Show off achievements. These are impressive accomplishments you've achieved. This can be, for example, awards you won. For example, one of my clients, Iris, is an award-winning SEO guy. This is something we played on in our promo video on sales copy to get people to sign up for his course. Books you've written. One of my other clients, Peter Kent, is the famous author of SEO for Dummies, a well-known SEO book. Minerva, one of my other clients, is a best-selling instructor, a PhD graduate from Cambridge Uni, and an MPhil graduate from Oxford Uni. I mean, stuff like this is powerful and can really help you establish credibility as an online instructor. So, have you achieved something remarkable that you can use to show people that you are a true expert? Use testimonials. What are other people who tried your programs and advice saying about you and your content? We're talking about testimonials that tell the story of where the testimonial giver was before taking your course and how it completely revolutionized his or her life. Many people completely misuse testimonials. They include vague, generic testimonials with misspelled words in them. Only include testimonials that are relevant, ones that tell the story of the person giving them, and which show you as a true expert. If you can get testimonials from people who are well known, that's even better.